Most books sell for a month or two and then disappear forever. But a small percentage of books, they keep selling year after year, providing their authors with steady, predictable royalties. Now, what's the difference between the books that fade away and the ones that stand the test of time? Today, I'm going to share the secret to creating evergreen books that continue earning royalties for years, and how you can start applying it to your publishing business right now. Now, part one, why most books fade. When people start self-publishing, they often chase trends. Maybe it's the latest diet, the new productivity app, or even a popular buzzword. The problem with trends is they don't last. A book on 10-day keto hacks might sell well for a few months, but what happens when the next diet comes along? Your book fades into the background. Now, evergreen books are different. They tackle problems that people have faced for decades and will continue to face for decades to come. Think health, money, productivity, relationships, mindset. These are timeless categories and they do not expire. Now, part two, the secret formula. The secret to creating evergreen books is simple. A timeless problem plus a timeless solution plus clear branding. Let's break it down. Number one, the timeless problem. Something people always struggle with. It could be stress, poor sleep, lack of focus, or even financial discipline. Now, number two, a timeless solution. That would be a strategy or framework that works no matter the decade. Meditation, habit building, even budgeting. And number three, clear branding. A title and cover that makes the solution feel obvious and appealing. For example, the 7-day morning reset isn't tied to a trend or buzzword. It's about mornings, habits, and daily structure. People will always care about starting their day better, and that's why it has evergreen potential. Now, part three, the AI advantage. Here's where AI gives you a massive advantage. Instead of spending weeks researching evergreen niches, you could use AI to test ideas instantly. You can prompt something like, give me 10 evergreen book topics in personal finance that would still be relevant 10 years from now. With just one click, you have a list of concepts that can stand the test of time. Then you refine, outline, and draft with AI. This means you could build not just one evergreen book, but an entire catalog of them, quickly and without guessing. Now, part four, longevity and scaling. The beauty of evergreen books is they don't just sell once. They keep selling. That means the time you spend writing today pays you next year and the year after that. And here's where it compounds. When you publish multiple evergreen books, your catalog becomes a steady income machine. Some might only bring in $50 a month, but some might bring in $500 per month. But stack enough of them, and you've built yourself a business that pays you every single month without chasing fads or trends. Now, if you want to learn exactly how to research evergreen niches, how to validate them, and how to use AI to create books that stand the test of time, that's exactly what I teach inside my complete course. I walk you through my system step by step. Idea generation, outline building, AI drafting, polishing, cover design, and scaling into multiple income streams. The link is below if you're ready to start building a publishing business that lasts. The secret to creating evergreen books that sell for years is choosing timeless problems, pairing them with timeless solutions, and branding them clearly. AI makes this process faster, but the strategy is what makes it sustainable. If you focus on evergreen topics, you won't just publish books. You'll publish assets that continue to generate income for years. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.